Okay, so my wife and I did a lot of research on the internet and found there's a lot of window companies out there, and we came to the conclusion that Zen was the best, and we had really appreciated the no pressure when we were going through the process. All the employees are friendly, and the quality of the product is very good, and the insulation is extremely good. And I think the insulation is probably as important as the quality of the windows. It's really important that the insulation is done properly, and they are very conscientious. Clean up afterwards, so you don't even know they've been there.